You click on support my campaign, and then it takes you directly to the Save Ghana Fund. Let me also add this, the platform has been vetted and approved by the Bank of Ghana. So you would see the BOG seal on the platform. Now, the short code you've seen displayed, which is *887 *2024 hash, is one method to donate. There are various other methods you can use, which is the donate button, the red button you see over there. Can you please click on it? All right, so once you click, you see the various channels or the methods you can use. For those of you who may want to donate via the website, you can go directly and then do that. We have the mobile money, which is MTN, Telecel, AT, and then we have the card, which is your